Hey, this is Dad from Dad's Honeydew List. You're going to see me doing some early gardening, planting some peas, doing some tilling, and planting some lettuce. I'm going to get our peas ready. And I'm going to kind of turn the soil around like this. Break it up. That's muddy enough. And get some peas planted. Get this. Okay, we got peas. If I can get them right side up. I kind of there. Again, I kind of cultivate the soil or cultivate. This is real muddy. Got a lot of rain while I've been gone, and I'm gonna get this stuff out. I forgot what today is. March. What is it? 24th, maybe Friday. This is gonna be a pea bed. I got some other beds, but I gotta get, I'm trying to get this soil kind of, and get this old stuff out of here. Peas did pretty good, but we didn't plant enough. Let me move that there. I'm kind of holding this when I do it, so it's like a big horseshoe. And I'm gonna move that. Yeah, it's a hold down plastic. We're just gonna get this stuff out of here. This was richer topsoil, and I forget what else I put in here last year. And I gotta get this out. This out. This is a box I built. These are strawberries that need weeded. And they don't look too awful bad. Oh, there's what I used. This raised bed soil by Bonnie made. Here's another raised bed. This garden's gonna need to. There, how's that soil look? Pretty good. It's muddy. I'm my own cameraman. I bought this marked in somewhere. It was $8. I think it was mine. Organic raised bed. Let's see if it works. Let's see if I can tear this apart. I gotta open these seeds. I'm still with you guys. I'm tearing seeds open. I'm gonna put a dome for them and climb up here. Yeah, well, I can show you me planting them. I may have to get some more, but I just want to get this started. We're supposed to have some rain tonight and tomorrow. I'm gonna get some other stuff. I see it says 1 inch, 6 inch. I can plant. Well, it says April through May. April, May, August, so we're in that green there. Let me get these open. I got one here. If I can get it out. Okay. If you can see the pea. The wind calmed down, but we got a wind warning. I'm just gonna drop the pea over here. I just wanna get these open. And I'm gonna do some peas. I accidentally brought the green beans. I'm gonna make a couple of these raised beds higher because as you get older, it's lousy. Okay. You got the peas. I wanna say bees. Try and do this while filming. Okay. Just gonna shove them in there. I dropped a couple. I think they said about 1 inch deep. See what they do here. I gotta get that out of there. Get these peas started. The soil should be wet enough. I don't really have much of a row going. So, yeah, 4 rows there. Soil feels pretty good. I grew green beans in here last year, wax beans, and not enough peas. They did pretty good. Yeah, that's our weather up there. It's supposed to get windy and rain. So let me leap off there. I'm not gonna video this whole thing, but what I'm gonna do is lift this open and show you. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little fertilizer. Okay, we'll do more filming here soon.